Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I already put my mask on because this one is a little bit different. You know, there's all kinds of sheet masks out there. Let me show you which one I'm using. This is the Face Story Moon Velvet, and sheet masks are made of paper or fabric. Some are gel. This one is a paper style, but they have what they call essence on them. This particular one has the actual Moon Velvet moisturizer that Face Story sells. And their Moon Velvet moisturizer is wonderful. And I needed some extra love after the winter. It's a cross between winter and spring here. It goes back and forth. So I just needed that extra moisture. So this will be on for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes it says. And there is just a ton of the moisturizer in there. So if you get this, if you ever get one of these masks, you can buy them on Face Story, you can buy them on Amazon. You may end up winning one in a giveaway or getting them in a box somewhere along the line. Just make sure, use that extra essence. Even if you don't like to save the package, you want to use it right away, put it on your arms and legs. That extra moisture the moisturizer is wonderful, and you can see little clumps of it under here. I try to mush it around some, but it is just wonderful. And Face Story masks usually fit really well and stay on well. They're a really good quality mask. I am in an affiliate for Face Story, but they sent me an email a while ago and said something about that was ending. So I don't know if it works anymore, but I do know that like I have it in my description all the time. I'm pretty sure I've clicked on it and it takes me to their website. So I don't know if it works or not, but if you buy something under me, the way it used to work was I might get a couple of pennies. So if you'd like to buy something from them, they have great sales. I get emails from them, so I usually shop when they have a sale. And anyway, I just want to tell you about the mask because it's just different and it's really lovely. And y'all, if you were able to come to my live this past Friday, I did a live on March 1st. I usually don't do a live at the beginning of the month. So maybe some of you were caught off guard or didn't know, but we had a lot of fun. The lives always seem to be a lot of fun because everybody in there knows each other, and we just gab and say hello and what are you doing this weekend? What's going on? All that kind of stuff. So, but usually my Friday night gab, I catch up with things from the week with y'all. And I did have a little list, but we got busy talking and I didn't finish my list. So I do want to tell you some of the things that I had wanted to talk about on Friday and didn't get to. I did talk about a little bit of them. So if you saw it, last Monday, my Mask Monday last week, the comments were turned off, and I didn't know somebody told me about. Several of y'all told me about it. Thank you so much. Please always, if my comments are turned off, I never turn off my comments ever. So something's wrong. Please notify me if you can. And that's what happened is I got an email and some DMs, and I went in and fixed it. I was like, oh, what did I do? How did I do that? Went in and fixed it, and I was at work. It was Monday. I was at work. And maybe an hour or two later, I looked at it and it was off again. And I'm like, maybe I didn't hit save, but I thought I looked at it, but I was busy working and all. So I changed it again, came back in, and it was changed back to off. So I'm like, what is wrong with this video? Because YouTube, if there's something wrong with the video, like there's a copyright or something, YouTube usually when you upload it, YouTube will send you an email telling you that, and they won't allow you to post the video, or they'll let you choose if you want to, because you can, I'm not sure because I've never done it. I think you can still like use a song that you're not supposed to use, but then you just can't monetize the video or something. I don't know enough about it because I just try to follow the rules. And I never got an email from them. So it's a long story. So anyway, if you ever see that my comments are turned off, tell me, please, contact me, because I didn't do it. It was some sort of glitch. It's happened to other people before. Okay, let's move on. I got a stitch fix last week. I think I showed it to y'all on Saturday. and I did not keep any of it. I did like, the thing is I liked everything, just that not the way everything fit. And the blue sweater was beautiful, but I have a bunch of sweaters now from Stitch Fix that I really like, and plus I had sweaters before. So I only need so many sweaters in a place that doesn't get cold for more than a few months. And there was a blouse in there that I liked, but similar to other things I have, so I just sent the whole thing back this time. That's what I chose to do. My Boxycharm renewed, and y'all, I know their prices went up, but oh wow, I was in shock how much it cost, because I get it by the year, and I hadn't paid for it in a while because I had Boxycharm and I had the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So when they combined, that extended I had paid by the year for both of them. It extended my subscription out to March 1st. So, but they really have gone up in price, and wow. It was $330 for the year, and then they charged $14.99 for the handling, and then the sales tax. Mine was over $371 for the year. So, but now I'm locked in for another year. I love Ipsy and Boxycharm. I love them. Now, sometimes I complain about them, or, you know, I'm not happy with the choices or whatever, but I do love that subscription. I just did not, I guess, realize paying it for the year how much I didn't save. I thought I'd save more money than I did. So I was a little disappointed in that. Let's see. Oh, also, yesterday started Miss Jackie Russell's Dollar Tree train for, it's called EGG Excellent Spring. And please go see that. That will run for 2 weeks. And there's 13 channels this time, and we're all doing giveaways. So please go see that. You can enter all 13 giveaways. You have to comment on every video to enter even one giveaway. So you really should just take the time to enter everybody's giveaways. So in that collab, we have Miss Jackie Russell and Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More. Tracy does all of our artwork. She does our little ads and our thumbnails, and she made us all into cute little girls. It was all, you know, young. She made us all young. Now some of the ladies in the Dollar Tree already are young, but some of us, I think I'm one of the older ones. She made me look like a young woman, and it's just so cute, the thumbnail. Lou, you're gonna have to sit. Sit. Okay, so that's okay. And Katie's Corner of the World, let me tell you who else is in it. Single Mom Review, which is Sherry. Reviews with Sue. Favorites with Laura. Lori's Life. Laura Wooten. And All Things Arlene. And Faye Blatchard. And then we have a couple of new channels. They're not new channels. They're just new to this particular collab. You've seen Miss Pat from Blessed GMP in many different collabs. I don't know that she's ever been in the Dollar Tree collab before. She may have been in a different one, but not the Dollar Tree train that Miss Jackie runs. So I'm really happy to see her in there with us. And also Erin from Hey Everybody. She's got a great channel, and she does a lot of Temu. If you love Temu, you're going to love Erin if you haven't met her yet. She's just got a lot of energy, and she opens all kinds of Temu. So you'll really enjoy her channel as well. So I'll list all of the channels below. If I remember, I'll put the playlist. I'll put the playlist in my description also. It's in my video from Sunday. And now it's after it happened, but on Sunday, we tapered the videos, if you will, so that it wouldn't be so hard on people with 13 videos coming out all at one time. So the first one came out at 2 o'clock Central Time, 3 o'clock Eastern Time. It just so happens I was the first one that got my video to Tracy, so I was first up. And then every 15 minutes, so our videos are less than 15 minutes each. So you might have a couple of minutes in between, and then it will go on to the next, and then go on to the next, if you follow the playlist. And just so you know, there's a few things you need to know that there may not be time for us to tell you in the actual video. Like I said, you have to comment on every video. So what I've noticed, what has happened to me when I'm watching a playlist and you're getting toward the end of the playlist, say you're watching Reviews with Sue's video, and you want to, hey Sue, oh, I love all the things you got from the Dollar Tree train, especially that such and such item. And you're writing to her, and her video about ends, and it goes on to all things Arlene. I'm just saying this because I don't know what the order is right now. Your comment sometimes will post on Arlene's video and not on Sue's video. So it's very frustrating. Make sure you know where your comment is going, especially if you are entering the giveaways, because you want to comment on every video. So if you end up that way, you may have two comments in that respect. You may have missed commenting on Sue's video and end up with two comments on Arlene's video. That's just an example. If you don't know what I'm talking about, ask me. I'm happy to explain it. But just be careful where your comment is going, because it's happened to me. And I mean recently. So in fact, the last Dollar Tree train, because I watch all the videos, even though I'm not entering the giveaways, but I comment and I tell the ladies that I'm enjoying, working with them and stuff like that. So I comment and I'll say their name, Arlene or Sue, and it ends up on a different video. So you have to be careful. And also, even if you've been subscribed to people for a long time, you need to make sure that you stay subscribed to all the channels, because when it comes to picking, there's 13 channels. In 2 weeks, we'll all be picking our winners. And the crazy thing is, a lot of times, some of you that we know are subscribed. You're not, it's not showing that you're subscribed. YouTube can be very cruel and knock you off of people. That's what I'm just saying, to be careful. And hey, I forgot all about it. I'm supposed to announce a winner for my giveaway. This was my giveaway, this box full of good stuff. It's a lot of little things and what have you, but a lot of good little things and stuff like that. I won a giveaway from Erlene S, and I am paying it forward and doing a giveaway as well. So this giveaway, the winner of my giveaway from I won a giveaway, so you can win a giveaway with our Erlene S, is, I wrote her name down so I could say it properly. It's Vonda Dover. Now, Vonda has a little channel. She's doesn't post a lot, but she does have a channel. She does Mask Mondays on her community tab, and she does it on Instagram also. And every now and again, she'll post a video. So go see her. I'll put her in the description as well, so you can click on her and find her if you like, and see what she's up to, and say hey on her community tab, because she usually does always post her Mask Mondays. So y'all, I'm sorry, I didn't mean for this to be a long video and blue and whatever. Y'all, thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful Monday. Have a very safe and beautiful week. And don't forget, I'll remind you through the week, don't forget to turn your clocks forward Saturday night into Sunday. So that will be the 9th of March to Sunday. You will lose 1 hour. Don't forget to do that. Spring ahead. Okay, y'all, take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.